Okay, welcome muli po folks now for the second game for tonight between Team Boleros, clad in light, and mo po, yung Team White naman po is Team The Mechanicos. Ayan, live po tayo po ngayon sa live po tayo po ngayon sa Newton British Academy. Ito po yung Newton School po, malapit po sa Lulu Barwa in Barwa City. Second game for tonight between Boleros, clad in multicolor po sila, and also between against the white team, yan po ang The Mechanicos. Yan. Okay.
Umpire 1.
Sige po, Kapitan, sige po. Yan.
Umpire 1, Mr. Tuti Aguirre, and Umpire 2, Gustavo Taranto, and Umpire 3, Alex G.
Alex G. Yan po.
Ronjo Verde. Official table, Mr.
Table
Hector
ko yan.
Flores.
Okay. Thank you po, Sir Kapitan. Coach
Dom
Kapitan.
Jet, kita mo ha.
Okay. Team Kapitan po yan. Yan din po si Kapitan din. Design person din po nung nag-help po yung yung FIBA. Tama di ba? Kapitan kayo rin yun. Yung FIBA, dumating dito GCC. Sila nag-handle nun. Okay, first quarter. Start. First quarter start for the first 5. Okay, sa Boleros, 28, 20, 26, 10 at 25. Kabila naman po, yan, si Siena, si Garcia, si number 9, si Walter at si Castro, number 55.
And 35.
Okay, eto po tayo, 35 star, sorry. Hindi siya malinaw eh. Okay.
Sir, rin tayo.
Takin lang po tayo. Maraming salamat. Takin lang po. Siya mahigaw po natin. Kwintas ha. Paki-safety lang po. Thank you. Okay. Jump ball. Jump ball. First possession. Kinawit. Nakuha. Muntik na. Siena for 2. 2 point Siena. Muntik na. Muntik na. Samonte. Samonte. Pops up. Uy, may fumble. 28. Arañez. Pops up. No good. Rebound battle won by Garcia to Ricky. Ricky. 2 points, Ricky. 4-0. Fornan. 28. 26, pops up. No good. Good ball. Shen again. Step back jumper. Pops up. Good. Back to back field goals now by Team Mechanicos. Gonzales. To Samonte. Samonte. Gonzales. 28, Arañez. Arañez, ayaw niya muna. Samonte, pops up. 2 points, Samonte. Jay Cern is watching. Good evening today, sir. Nakuha po ni Ricky ang bola. Ricky. Ricky. For 3. Bang! 3 points, Ricky. Ricky, 3 points. Samonte. Malakas. Foul. Foul called. Okay. Number 25, 26, Samonte, shooting for 2. Andog po yan po ng Team LBC, hari ng padala. Team LBC, hari ng padala. And of course, Thread and Needles Tailoring. Uniforms by Thread and Needles. Samonte, pops up. Malakas. Second shot, jumpers ready. Samonte. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Si Jebs Arnado, nanonood din. Jebs, hindi ka naglalaro dito? Okay, hikaw. Hikaw, lahat po ng hikaw, pakibalik lang muna po. Pakibigay sa akin para masangla ko na lang. Ay, hikaw ah. Sab muna. Grabe, ilang hikaw nyo. Okay, yan na. Okay, back to the ball game. Aris Series watching also. Ano nangyari? What happened? Ano nangyari? Okay, Samonte Capos. Okay, bola po ng The Mechanicos. 2-9 po ang score. 7 minutes 55 remaining. Ricky, oras. Siena, malalim, palpal. Garcia, malakas, niluwang bola. Twenty-six, Gonzales, Arañez, 2 points Arañez. 7 minutes 40 remaining. 4-9 po ang score po natin. Siena, Garcia, offline. What a play! What a hassle by Walter. Puspal rep. Okay, bola po ng Mechanicos. Walter, inbounding. And Garcia, no good. Rebound by Boleros. Samonte, binababa ang bola. Samonte, naipit ang konti. 28, Arangues, pops up, no good. Ayun sa Samonte, malakas. Gonzales, wala pa rin. Rebound, 2 points. 2 points. Hop. Naipit. Traveling violation called. Kasi pin. 75 lang.
75 lang. Okay.
Para covered na hanggang yung Wednesday na laro.
Okay, sige. Bali, dalawa na yun hanggang Wednesday na. Sige.
Dahil tatlo na yun. Kasi di ba bumali ako na di ba?
Tama.
Ito yung kalahati ng binali ko.
Sige.
Okay, bali next week 150 muli tayo. Kung tatlong laro sa Friday.
Ay, hindi. Dalawa na lang tayo.
Ano yung semis na ba?
Hindi, kaso kasi di ba dalawa tayo, dalawa sa susunod.
Oo.
Tapos dalawa na lang yun sa next na Friday.
Puros dalawa na lang.
Oo, puros dalawa na lang tayo.
Kasi bali okay, walang problema.
Okay.
Bali this time Friday, dalawa lang tayo Always dalawa na lang.
Dalawa na lang isa.
Kasi walang problema sir. Sana po, thank you po. Ngayon po kayo sir.
Ingat po.
Rebound by number 10. Number 10 nakariban po siya. Again, Boleros, 8-9 score. Samonte, binababa ang bola. Wala pa si Fauni dyan, Gonzales. Samonte. Cut. Foul. Puspal rep. 35. Foul. Walter pala nag-foul. Walter called for a foul. 2 shots given para kay Mr. Number 10 ng Boleros. First shot. Patok. It's patok. Pasok. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. It's wala. Pero nakuha. Nakuha. Rebound po. Rebound. Gonzalez. Pops up. Off the glass. No good. Rebound di Garcia. Now to Siena. Siena. Bibaba ang bola. Walter. Palpal. Bahagya. Walter. Power move. Rebound. Barrow one by Siena. Palpal again. Ricky for 3. No good. Rebound. Aranez. Scope for the foul. Sumabit. Gilbert. Garcia. Cobb. Garcia. Paul Garcia. Okay, 5 minutes. Pamasok na po. Again. Papasok si Sir Talisic tsaka si number 18. Kabila naman si number 44 at si number 15. Back to the ball game. Al 26 15 9-0 lang score. 44 Kumat, pops up, malakas. Siena naka-rebound. Siena intercepted by number 44. Hoy, traveling violation. Balik po sa Mekanogos ang bola. Mekanogos bola game, pumuli po tayo. Sir Talisic po for the inbound to Siena. 9-all po score po natin at 4 minutes 43 remaining. Siena 21 Real. Ricky. Siena again. Thinking 3. Ayaw niya muna. Real. Malakas. Rebound by number 10 ng Boleros. Al. 44. That's Bonds. 15. Intercepted. Samonte for 2. 2 points Samonte. Change favor po tayo ngayon. Boleros po lamang na po ng 2. 11-9. Siena. Siena foul called. Who's foul rip? Who's foul rip? Talisic. Pops up. Naku, nilawa. Siena, dukot sa ilalim. Pasok. Tabla. 11. 11-9 score. Rather. Bonds. Pops up. Malakas. Again, one more time kay Samonte. Bishop. Binigay kay Siena. Siena to Real. Real may foul si number 19. Number 19 called for the foul. Number 19 called for the foul. 3 minutes 22 remaining. Official score 11-9. 11-9. Real. Kumat. Ilalim. Walter lost the ball. Lost the ball. Ito na si Bonds. Bonds. Bumipiso. Pinanin tao. Ina-reach yung tao. Bonds. Number 19. Si Al. Side step move. No good. Nako ni Sir Talisic ang bola. Talisic. Real. Ricky. To Walter. 2 points Walter. That's 11 all Walter. Bonus free throw para kay Mr. Walter. Walter pops up. It's in. 12-11. Change favor again. Lamang na naman po ang Mekanogos. Backing violation. Walter for the inbound. Number 5, Walter. Okay, Minoros. Ari Siles watching. Si Arnado is watching also. Watching also. Walter. Dapat 14. Oh. Red. 11 all doon. Kanina, ano yun? Sir, 14. 11-14. 11-14 yan. 11-14 yan. Sa count ko. Nag-9 all eh. Game. Okay, 11-14 official score. Okay, 11-14 official score. 2 minutes 42 remaining. Mechanicos leading by 3 points. Walter. Ricky. Pumupunta si Boss Siena. Pumupunta. Walter. Driving. Dishing off kay Real. Ricky. Nakuha ng pick. Ricky pops up. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 10 naka-rebound. What a power rebound by number 10. Now to Mr. Samonte. No good. Talisik naka-rebound. Talisik to Mr. Walter. Walter driving strong. Walter. Balakas ang konti. Number 15. Pops up. Number 44. 2 points, number 44. Old school play. 13-14. A win at 49 remaining. A minute 49 remaining. 13-14 ang score. Lamang pa rin po ng Mechanicos ng isa. Real to Ricky. Talisik for 3. No. Rebound by number 10. Number 10 to number 15 again. 15. Intercepted. Almost. Same ball. Samonte for the inbound. Okay. Samonte. Dish off kay Samonte. Malakas. Ricky. Nagmamadali. 2 points Ricky. 13-16, a minute and 4 remaining. 1 minute. Number 10, number 19. Malakas. Rebound, won by Siena. Malakas ang pasa. Talisik, 2 points. Talisik, 2 points. 2 points, Mr. Talisik. 13-18. Unti-unti umalago na po ang Team Mechanicos. Samonte, 26. Number 10, driving. 44. No good. One more time. Ayun na. And eto na. Walter for 3. Malakas. Ricky pala. Number 10, driving strong, malakas ang badong. Ricky, Siena, wala na. Okay, first quarter is finished. The score is 13-18. We'll be back again po para sa second quarter action. 10 minutes remaining again. 10 minutes po tayo. This game is brought to you by Team LBC, Hari ng Padala at Thread and Needles Tailoring. Uniforms by Thread and Needles. Of course, this game is brought to you by, of course, Team SBP, QBFR Pool of Referees. QBFR kayo, di ba? Sir, coach? QBFR kayo? QBFR?
SBP duha.
SBB pa. Okay, sorry. SBB to chapter po for the SBB to group for maintaining the the game in an orderly fashion. And of course, PSPQ Basketball League. Every Tuesday night po tayo. Meron tayong basketball action featuring +3 rated po namin. Game is exactly started by 10 p.m. onwards po yan at the Perling Season International School in Mansura. PSBQ Basketball League. Ang liga ng mga sikat. Back to the ball game muli po tayo ngayon. 10 minutes again. Samonte for the inbound. Bola po ng Boleros. Whoop. Second quarter start. Samonte for the inbound. Nice shoot. High cut Samonte inbounding to Mr. Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Sir Owens is watching also. Belated happy birthday po siya, Sir Owens. Number 19 pops up 2 points. Kaagad ang binanat nila. 2 points, number 19. 9 minutes 47 remaining. Shena driving the ball to Garcia. Lost the ball by number 19. Same ball po tayo. 14-second shot clock awarded again. Shena lost the ball. Still completed nga. Kick pass. Uy, aray. Ouch. Sakit nun. Hoy! Ricky. 35. Bang! Bumangga. Blocking foul called on Gonzalez, number 30, ng Boleros. Inbound tayo, si Real for the inbound. Inbound by Real, Castro pops up. 2 points, Castro. Big shot. 9 minutes remaining. 15-20 ang score po natin. 15-20. 8 minutes 50 remaining. Aranez, power move. 2 points, Aranez. Ricky nagmamadali. Mr. Ricky. 10 to Shena, lost the ball almost. Shena. Whoop. Lost the ball nga. Still completed. Again. Boleros on the run. Boleros to Aranez. 2 points again, Aranez 2 points. 19-20 na score at 8 minutes 16 remaining. Second quarter action. 8 minutes 16 remaining. 19-20 ang score. Castro and to Mr. Ricky for 3. Bang! Ricky 3 points. Ricky 3 points. 19-22 na score. Laman ng 4 na naman ang Mechanics leading by 4 points. Aranez. Samonte. Naipit ng konti. Symbol. 7 minutes 24 remaining. Aranez. 2 points, Aranez 2 points. Ito si Ricky. Malakas ang pasa kay Ricky. Balik muli po sa Boleros ang bola. 7 minutes 10 remaining. Tatapos sa 7 minutes 10 remaining. Gonzalez 21-23 na score po natin. Samonte again. Gonzalez for 3. Tapos Shena naka-rebound. Nagmamadali. Shena. Ouch! Naipit. Number 29. Good ball. One more time. Palpal. Pero may foul. Foul kay Shena for sure. Number 29 shooting for 2. Timeout called by team. Sino nag-timeout? Okay, Mechanicals. Ano muna? They needed a breather. Factor ball game. Six minutes 22 remaining. Second quarter action. The score is 21-23. Laman po rin po ng Mechanicals ng dalawa. The Mechanics still leading. Tapos. Second shot. Jumpers ready. It's in. 21-23. Garcia, no good. Rebound again by Samonte. Samonte to Gonzalez. Gonzalez and Samonte. 2 points Samonte. Ray Castro, no good. Rebound. Secured. Boss. Ingat po sa. Sige. Samonte, binabate ni Real. Hop! Pula sir, pula. Dito. Same ball, same ball. Same ball, same ball, same ball. Same ball, Samonte for the inbound. Inbound is Samonte. Kay Mr. number 19. Samonte again, Samonte. Samonte kay Gonzalez. Gonzalez. No good. Rebound by 29. May foul pa. May foul pa si Castro. 29 shooting for 2. That's Bonds. Si Bonds for shooting for 2. 5 minutes 7 remaining. Pops up. Wala. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pares wala. Castro naka-rebound. Castro. Pinasa kay Rhea. Siya nakapos. Hoy! Good ball. Arangues. And jump ball. Held ball. Mechanicals ball. Bola po ng The Mechanicals. Mechanics. Bola po ng The Mechanics. Talisik for the inbound. 4 minutes 55 remaining. 24-23. Laman pa rin po ang The Boleros. Garcia. Kapos. Rebound by Samonte. Nakuha. intercepted. Again, held ball situation. Bola ka ng ano. Bola ng ano, ng... Same ball. Bola ng ano. Ng Boleros. Bola ng Boleros. 44. Number 10. 44 again. 44. Ayun kay Gonzales. Lost the ball. Garcia naka-rebound. Garcia, kick pass and pops up. Yun. Nilinis pang ring. Salamat po. 44. Binababa ang bola. 24-25. Lamang na naman ang Mecanicos. Samonte. Number 15. Pops up. Bang! Bumawi. Boleros na naman lamang. 26-25. Sagutan po sila. Nagsasagutan po ang dalawang team. Talisik. For 3. No good. Gonzales sa rebound. Gonzales. Medyo binabantayan to Bonds. 44. Bonds. Number 15. And 20. Gonzales. No good. Rebound. 2 points. Number 10. Number 10, 2 points. Ricky. Malakas. Good ball. Uy! Ricky. Siena. Ricky. Na yung mag-isa for 3. No good. Rebound by number 10. 20-25. Laman na po ang team Boleros. Number 15. 2 points. 15, 2 points. Mecanicos 30-25. Mecanicos winning back na by 5 points. Talisik. Ricky. Walter. Foul called. Sumabit kay Walter. Walter shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready tayo. Walter, second throw. It's on. Inside. Laban ng 4 ang Boleros. 30-26. Samonte, naipit ang konti. Kay number 10. Number 15. Dahil yung mag-isa, 2 points, number 15. Side throw. Nice shot. Nangyari kayo, no? Kumay na. Siena, hindi labas ang bola. Gonzales. Foul. Blocking foul called. Again, Walter called for a foul. Blocking foul called. Gonzales shooting for 2. 1 minute 40 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. The score is 32-26. Lamang po ng 6 ang Boleros. Second shot, jumpers ready. It's in. Pumasok. Ricky. Siena. Na-intercepted ang mapasa. Uy! Garcia! Take 2. Garcia, take 2. 1 minute 11 remaining. Second quarter action, first shot. Pops up. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. 1 minute 11 remaining. Pops up. No good. Rebound by Walter. Walang foul. Buns. Laman ng 6. Samonte. Foul by Ricky. Samonte called for the foul. First shot. Pasok. Second throw. Jumpers ready. 1 minute and 2 remaining. Lamang ng 7. Rebound by Ricky. Ricky again. Ricky. Nagbababa ng bola. Ricky to Garcia. Lost the ball. 50 seconds remaining. No good. Gonzalez, malakas. Again. Same ball. 15 for 3. No good. Rebound now. Nice. Sayang, masyadong mabilis. 2 points. Talisik. Garcia. 2 points Garcia. Okay. After 2 quarters po, lamang pa rin po ang Boleros ng 7. 36-29. Halftime po tayo. Magbabalik po kami. Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game tayo. 36-29. This game is brought to team LBC Hari ng Padala at of course Thread and Needles Tailoring. Garcia for the inbound. Garcia for the inbound. Game. Ito na. Ricky. Thinking 3. Walter pops up. Nope. Rebound di Siena. Uy! Malakas. Garcia. Pinabas muna kay Siena. Siena. Ricky and it's out of bounds. Arangues. No good. Talisik na ka-rebound. Walang foul. Ricky. Walter, 2 points. 2 points, Walter. Number 19. Arangues, palpal. Sumabit. 2 shots given kay Aranez, foul by Siena. Aranez. First shot. It's out. Second throw, jumper's ready. Second free throw, jumper's ready po tayo. Both basket never made to Siena. Siena, binababa ang bola. Siena. Siena kay Ricky. Ricky thinking 3. Bang! Nope, ayaw. Good ball, good ball. Nice. Nice steal by Walter. Walter! Tapos. Rebound by Siena. Stepping on the line. Bola po ng Boleros. 8 minutes 39 remaining. Nice. Nakalusot. AL. Malakas. Rebound by Ricky. To Siena again. Siena. 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 Walter. Of course, easy to na yan, Walter. Easy to by Walter. Full court press now be applied now by Mechanicos. Naka-break. Naka-break. Gonzales. Gonzales. No good. And tap out niya. Balik muli po sa Mechanicos ang bola. Teka lang, nagtatali pa sa Talisik. Game. Game, sino papalitan? Okay, Walter, labas muna para kay Real. Ricky and Talisik, binababa yung bola. Intercept, almost. Siena. No good. Rebound. Real. Real. Palpal. Rebound. Garcia. Malakas pa rin. Good ball. Talisik to Siena. To Real. Real malakas. One more time. Real. 3-second violation. Good ball. Aranez. Aranez pops up. No good. Rebound. Tap out ni Aranez. Balik muli po si Mechanicos ang bola. 36-33. Ayan na. Real. To Rick. To Siena. Intercepted. Al Gonzales. Binabantayan. Ayun, sa ilalim. No good. Rebound by Talisik. Ricky. Ricky for 3. Bang! Ricky, 3 points. And timeout muna po ang Team Boleros. Tablados tayo sa 36. 6 minutes 25 remaining. Third quarter action. Game. Balik tayo. Lost the ball. White ball. White ball, 36 all, 6 minutes remaining. Shena. Shena, number 21, crossover move. Ayun na, naipit ang konti na naman kay Walter. Garcia, floater shot, no good. Rebound by number 29. Nice intercepted by Walter. Walter, no good. Bonds. Gonzales. 26. Binabantayan. Palpal. Good ball. Ricky again. Ricky drive the ball to Shena. Sa baba. Number 20 called for a foul. Inbound po ni Real. Real for the inbound. Real. Ricky. Real. Power move. Nako. Gonzales. 44. Hoy! Traveling violation. Sayang. 4 minutes 52 remaining for third quarter action. Ricky. Binababa ang bola. Ian is watching already also. Si James Doom's watching also. Ricky! 3 points, Ricky. 3 points out. Change favor po tayo. 36-39. Lamang po ang Team Mecanicos. 44. Gonzales. Ayun! Kay Samonte. Nice shot by Samonte. 38-39. 4 minutes remaining. 4 minutes. Garcia. No good. Rebound by Samonte. Again, Tigger Gonzales naman. Gonzales. Number 10, Padilla. 2 points, Padilla. Change favor muli po tayo. Ricky. Binabantayan na si Ricky. Shena. Walter. Bang! 2 points, Walter. Lamang puli po ng isa ang Team Mecanicos. 3 minutes 27 remaining. Padilla to Mr. 29. Bonds for 3. Bang! 3 points, Bonds 3 points. Lamang ng dalawa. Shena to tie the ball game. Foul! Three minutes 5 remaining. Laman ng dalawa po ang Team Boleros. Shena shooting for 2. Castro pumasok muna para kay Real. Shena shooting for 2. First shot. It's out. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's out. Rebound battle won by Shena. Nope. It's 44. Bonds. Malakas ang pasa. Ricky. Binabanatan ng bola. Ricky. Thinking 3. Talisik. Castro. Foul. Penalty situation. Wala pa. Di ba penalty? Talisik for the inbound. Garcia, 2 points, Garcia. 43, nakuha sa tingin ni Talisik. Nagkaintindihan sa isang taning lang. Bonds. Gonzales. 2 points, Gonzales. 2 points, Gonzales. Ricky, Shena. Talisik for 2. No. Rebound. Nakuha. Riyap. Nice one by Garcia. Steal by Garcia. 2 points also Garcia. Tablado Cyber 45. Traveling violation. Mechanicos, tabla na naman para sa Boleros. 1 minute 42 remaining. Ricky for 3, kapos. Nice D, nibitalisik sana. Bonds. M29, malakas sa pasa. Malakas sa tira, Castro, kay Mr. Ricky, naipit. Shena, shake and fake for 2. Malakas. Talisik 2 for 2, no good. Sayang. Good. Garcia. No pass. Hoy! Traveling violation na naman. 40 seconds remaining, third quarter action. 45 all po tayo. This game is getting now to be interesting in every minute. Number 21, Shena. Talisik. Shena, nakalusot. Shena, Bishop pass kay Castro. No good. Rebound by number 10. Just a foul called. Samontes for the inbound. Number 20. Gonzales. Intercepted again. Oy! Ano yun? Possible 3-point? Okay, referee's not good. Okay, the verdict is not counted. Not counted. Okay, balik. Okay, we'll be back for the final 10 minutes of the ball game. Maigpit pong laban. 45 all. Boleros and Mechanicos. Final 10 minutes of the goal ball game. Pinoprotesta yung 3-point play, yung 3-point shot ni Gonzales sa 9 seconds ng pinagmimitingan nila. Okay, final 10 minutes of the ball game. Bola po ng Mechanicos, depensa ang Boleros. Siena for the inbound. Yes, 2 points. 47-52, 8 minutes 44 remaining. Thank you po. Thank you po sa mga nag-heart po dyan.
Ha? Oh, yeah.
No need.
Live.
Live.
Ay, di ba kanina, wala na oras, release ng bola. No? Walang counted, di ba?
Back to the ball game. Okay, AL shooting for 2. The score is 47-52. Lamang po ng 5 ang team Mechanicos. Labas. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Number 19, Al. Pops up. Pasok. Laman ng 8. Laman ng 4. 48-52. Real. To Ricky. Castro. Bumababa din. Siena sa ilalim. Labas muna. Ricky. Ayaw niya. Pops up. Short stab. Kapos. Rebound. Castro. Foul. Castro shooting for 2, blocking foul call on number 19. Boleros, 35, Castro shooting for 2. Pops up. Kapos. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok. O, 5. Siena, crossover, tap from behind, Castro, lost the ball, dalawa sila, Arangues, nakalusot, malakas, rebound by Siena, Walter, kapos, good ball. Ricky, nakakuha ang bola. Ricky. Walter. Real. 2 points. Real. Ako, lumabas. Lumabas. Intercepted by Castro. Again, Walter. Real again. Ricky, na yung mag-isa for Siena. 2 points. Six minutes, 43 remaining. Number 15, pops up. No good. Walter, rebound. Ricky. Yung birador nila, gumagana. Nagdadala. Ricky. Number 9, Ricky. Pops up. No good. Rebound. May foul called. Offensive foul called on Siena for push, called for the push. 55-51, 6 minutes 17 remaining. Gonzalez, binabatan ng talisik. Gonzalez, hounded. In difficult shot, 29, binabantayan. Labas mo na raw, sabi. And kay number 19, 3-second violation tinawag. 3-second violation called on Boleros. 5 minutes 55 remaining, 51-55 ang score. Walter. Siena driving strong. Sienna, kick pass kay Ricky. Ricky for 3. And 1 play. Possible 4-point play pa. Possible 4-point play para kay Ricky. Umaalog yata. And 1 play ni Ricky. Ricky. 4-point play. Possible 4-point play by Ricky. Pops up. No. Rebound by Samonte. Gonzalez. Double team. Hoy! Out of bounds. Out of bounds. 5 minutes remaining. Sienna. Garcia. No good. Hop. Goose ball rep. Same ball daw. Sabi niya. Same ball. Same ball. Sienna. Garcia 2 points rather. 51-60. 4 minutes 48 remaining. Double teamed. Intercepted. Still completed. Sienna. 2 points Sienna. Sienna 2 points. Bands. Uy. And 1 play made. Madulas. Timeout called by Team Boleros. Score is 53-62. 4 minutes 25 remaining. Laman po ng siyam ang Mecanicos. Back to the ball game.
Choose from 1,500 plus locations and get up to 12% off on.
One shot bonus given. Barts. Pasok. It's patok. Arantes, no good. Rebound battle won by white ball. Mecanicos. Mecanicos ball. Sienna. 3 minutes 45 remaining. Walter. Garcia. Labas. Padilla. Samonte. Arañez. Good ball. For 3. Bang! 3 points. Number 19, 3 points. 57-62, 5 na muli kalamangan po na Mecanicos. 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes remaining. Siena, no good. Good ball, foul call by Real. Real called for the foul. Two minutes 39 remaining. And timeout. Sino timeout? Mechanicals called for the timeout. 57-62. Lamang po ng 5 Mechanicals. 2 minutes 39 remaining. Fourth quarter action. Good evening po sila po. You're watching right now. Yes, it's your Dove Friend League. Dub sa Titos and Titas League po ito. 40s above po ito. The last 2.5 minutes only. 2.5 minutes only. Okay, back to the ball game. Samonte. It's out. No, it's in. Second shot, Samonte. Pasok po yun, napasok. 2 minutes 39 remaining. Samonte, 26. Jumpers ready. Both basket made. Please take note po. Lamang na po muli po. Nang 3 na lang po ang Mechanicals. Ricky. Siena. Ricky, binabantay na yan. Markado na si Ricky namin ng Boleros. Siena to Ricky. Ricky. Nagmamada Ricky to Siena. Siena thinking 3. Driving, stopping, slicing, no good. Rebound by number 10. Kick pass kay number 29. Aranges. Malakas. Rick. Siena naka-recover. 1 minute 59 remaining. Siena. Ricky, na yung mag-isa, pops up. Bang! 3 points again. Ricky, 3 points. Ayun, kay 29. Foul! Pinol pa. Foul by Ricky. Smart foul. Smart foul, maybe by Ricky. Smart foul siya. Game. Substitution made. Bart shooting for 2. 29 shooting for 2. Pops up. Kapos. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. 1 minute 42 remaining. 59-65 ang score po natin. Bart second shot. Pops up. It's in. Okay. Lamang po ng 5 ang Mechanicals. Siena, nagmamadali. Positioning. Ricky, receiving the ball. Nakalusot. Ricky, wala. Rebound, palpal. Same ball. Seconds shot clock, 30 seconds to shoot. Ricky to Walter, binabantayan. Siena, nakalusot. Naipit, talisik. Sayang. Shot clock violation. A minute and 9 remaining. 60-65 ang score. Number 19. Samonte to Padilla number 10. Gonzales. Malakas. Nakuha ni Walter ng bola. Walter to Ricky driving strong. Sayang. Out of bounds. 52 seconds remaining. 52 seconds remaining. Baseball pass kay Gonzales. Gonzales. Malakas ang pasa. Samonte. 2 points Samonte. Turnaround shot. Pasok. 62-65. Lamang po ng 3. 43 seconds remaining. Walter. Ricky. Siena. 30 seconds remaining. Ricky for 3. Tapos. Siena, press 14 seconds. Siena, wala pa rin. Walter, nilabas muna. 14 seconds remaining. Good ball, good ball. Hey! 2 seconds remaining. And that's it. Congratulations for winning the ball game, Team Mecanicos. Final score, 62-65. Nice game also sa Team Boleros. Team Boleros almost had the ball, but Mecanicos escaping with a 62-65 win. Team Poto po. Talisik, Team Poto. Picture, team picture po. Winning team, winning team. Winning team, winning team. Winning team. Ba, Magnificent 7 din pala to. Magnificent 7. Pito lang din sila. Okay, Magnificent 7, Mecanicos. Congratulations po, Mecanicos. Okay, official photo, tsaka yung photo ni Sir Talisik. Okay, POG of the game. Okay, si Mr. Ricky. Ricky. Ricky, congratulations. And Ricky, interview tayo, Ricky. Ricky, 28 points po. High performance po tayo. I believe so kayo po nagbalik po sa team nyo. Kanina kasi natambakan ng konti, pero for sure kayo po nagbalik po sa kanya. Ano po masasabi niyo po, sir?
Ano lang, nag-usap-usap lang kami na tsagain lang namin.
Ginapang niyo talaga. Okay.
Kailangan mag-step up kasi maraming wala. Yung mga,
Okay, wala si Baklaan,
wala si Amigo.
yan.
Maraming wala. So, lahat.
Naka-duty yata kasi lahat. No?
Doon naka-duty.
Oh, sige, sir. Ano pa, sir, masasapan namin, sir? We are, 2-2. Yung last game niyo po, sir. May pang last game, di ba?
Kaya meron pa po. Sana ganun din yung, sana manalo din kami.
Okay. Sige, sir. 1 minute. Shoutout po, sir. 1 minute shoutout. Sige po, ito. Yan.
Sa pamilya ko sa Laguna.
Sa po, okay.
Sa Aliwan family. Sa Kalamba, Laguna.
Laguna, okay. Kaya ano pala to?
Sa lahat ng mga classmates.
Kay Ersito ka pala. Sige, ano pa?
Maraming salamat po.
Okay,
Sa
sir.
mga katrabaho ko sa Qatar Airways.
Okay, yan po si Mr. Ricky.
Okay, thank you po.
Yung certificate mo, sir, kukunin mo yan. Certificate mo. Yan. Congratulations po, Mr. Ricky po, for winning the ball game. And of course, ito po ang Team Mecanicos. See you again po next time. Maging muli po tayo ngayon. Same time, same channel po tayo sa DFA Doha Friendly League. Maraming salamat po and goodbye. Bye-bye.